Today I am going to show you how to set live wallpaper on Windows 10 and 11. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for any other updates. Let's go to the video. First of all, you have to click on Windows icon. Then you need to go Microsoft Store. Here in the search box type lively wallpaper. Now install this app by clicking Get. When it's installed, close the Microsoft Store. Now go to this website. From here you can download live wallpapers in 4K resolution for free. Just scroll down and click 4K download. When downloading is complete, open Lively Wallpaper app. You can also choose live wallpapers from here, but we want custom wallpaper, so just click Add Wallpaper. Here you can drag and drop the wallpaper or click Choose a file. Select the 4K wallpaper which you already downloaded. Now click OK. When the wallpaper is added, just click 3 dots and click Set Wallpaper. Right click on the desktop in the View section, untick the Show Desktop icon option. It's lagging because of screen recording. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for any other updates.